SDU, local, site, right, domain. So that's the hierarchy.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, correct. Yes.
Okay, that's the hierarchy. And uh, how to migrate DC to how to migrate to DC to explain each step. You can do that. So right now, earlier we used to use NTDS utility tool, but right now we are using what do you call this PowerShell command. For that, you need to be a part of admin actin, admin schema admin, domain admin. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
enterprise admin, domain admin, and schema admin.
Okay.
Okay, then you can run the command, the PowerShell command.
Mm-hmm.
Difference between ET group types and scope. Difference between, okay, and frequently account lockout issue. I'll talk about it. What is global C? Global catalog. It acts as an index in the forest or in the domain, right? Global
Okay.
catalog. We discuss about it.
Okay. But Gopal, just these definitions I can explain him. But for example, like, will they ask normally? Will they ask like, for example, to show the role, or how exactly? Tell me one live scenario, or the issue which you worked on, the lockout issue, or a role how you are given.
I'll
So
explain.
yeah.
I'll give you one example so that you can remember that and you can explain the same. Okay.
Yeah.
So to which entity data you are into? Because if you, okay, so you are based on Bangalore
Yes.
currently.
Yes.
Okay. If it would have been Hyderabad, then one of my friends is actually hiring for entity data.
Oh.
Okay, and I could have easily get you through that
Oh. Okay.
for
So
Hyderabad location for all the first round. There are only two rounds, one and
okay.
two, so we can eventually get that done. Only even if you tell them the basics.
Oh, really? So no, Hyderabad also I'm fine, because my main motto is Bangalore, but job is the first criteria. Second is
But it's a work from hybrid model. It's not remote completely.
okay. That's okay. Okay. Yeah,
Okay, if
that's fine. I will go to Hyderabad then, because see, actually, eventually my first step is to come to Bangalore. Is the only thing is my kids' education, and my parents are alone, so just wanted to do. But uh, after notice period, I started right now. It's like I want a job right now because notice period is done. Before notice period, the things were different. Now,
Mhm.
now
Okay.
suddenly,
Okay, Harish, can you please tell me how many years of experience that you're having?
right now I'm having 10.8,
10 point
10.8.
10.1. And what all domain? So you worked on a AD and all? No, right? You are worked on this Office 365 and all, right?
Yes, actually, networking in Office 365. This AD, like AD or DHCP or DNS. Frankly speaking, no, I didn't work. I didn't work on it. But generally, in networking, there's a IP, setting up the IP, or manually giving the IP config, like manually in system properties ncpa.cpl giving the uh,
Okay, Windows
DNS.
networking. Windows
Yes.
networking you have done.
So I have done, but never into server logging in and giving the DHCP scope or reservation. I didn't do that.
No worries, no worries, no worries. Okay, so if you're okay with this, Hyderabad location, I can eventually help you out. Okay, so
Okay.
because they do see entity data, so earlier it was entity managed services, so that's my previous organization. Okay,
Oh,
so now entity managed services merge with the entity data, so it's only the entity data, and they have a requirement of 1000 seaters, so they are hiring like anything, to be honest. Okay, to
okay.
get the things filled up. So I would want you to just share your resume with me. Okay, so
Yes.
this will be typically for the Hyderabad location. Okay,
Yes.
and my friend is only taking the interviews and all, so I can get the things clear for you. Okay, so no worries about, but this will be on Windows, not on Azure, I'm telling you.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay, and
Yes.
so what's your last CTC?
Mine is 12.36.
Okay, and they can give up to 15, 16, up to 16 they can give.
Okay.
15, 16 they can give.
Mm.
Okay, so at least getting a job is a primary task, right?
Correct,
So,
correct.
right, so you can try for that. And also I'll just check for my current organization if they do have any openings for the windows. Okay, I'll send a profile. Just share your profile with me with ATA and all. Okay.
Done, definitely.
Okay, so coming back to the questions which you shared, uh, a different AD group, between AD group types and scope, we can discuss about it. Frequently account lockout issue, I'll just give you some related in YouTube. If you type now, Harish, you'll get a lot of videos. So there
Definitely.
is one, yeah, in YouTube you'll have everything.
Yes,
There is
yes.
nothing that MSFT web telecast. This is an this is an channel. Okay, so here you'll get everything.
Great.
Okay.
Mhm.
So if suddenly domain controller is down, so what you gonna do that? Okay, so I'll just come to question one by one. Okay, okay. Regarding frequently lockout issue, I'll explain you. Okay,
Mm.
and then you have something called DNS DSCP and RDP Global Catalog LDAP. These are the
Mm.
port number that you LDAP 389 LDAP.
Okay.
Lightweight active directory protocol. Okay,
Yeah.
Kerberos port number is 88. RDP 3389, DSCP 67, DNS 53. Okay. Live scenario question based on your resume. Okay, that's a different thing. How do you troubleshoot temporary profile? I'll explain you regarding this temporary profile.
Mm.
And how do you promote domain controller? Okay.
Yes, yes.
So dcpromote.exe is one of the command which you use. How to promote. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And FSMO roles again. What is FSMO roles? So you can explain the domain forest wide roles and domain wide roles, right? So total we have five roles there,
Yes.
two at the forest wide and three at the domain wide. So how do we troubleshoot on frequently lockout location? So I'll explain you that one. Okay, and this how to create groups. So anyways, the basically you we usually create only the security group. Okay, to provide the limited access or the some specific access to the set of peoples. How to
So,
assign NTFS permission? NTFS permission I'll take you through. Okay, so MS security patching process. So MS security patching process, this is typically more of the patching one.
okay.
So I eventually need to Google it because there are patching team has their own
Correct.
some steps in order to do the patching, right? So because they will be figure out some development server, production server, testing server. One
Yes.
week they're gonna do that for on the testing and then development and then come to the production. So that's how they
I
work.
can I can tell them, right? There is a separate team for patching. Generally, they do that. I can tell them.
They do no.
Okay.
This is you can tell them this is the standard process that you used to follow previously,
Mm-hmm.
long back. Okay,
Okay.
they'll ask you, so what is the type of patching activity you have done, whether it's through SCCM or whether it's a manual patching. Okay,
Okay.
so SCCM is one, SCCM I'm also not
Yeah.
sure because I
Top.
have never done the patching through this SCCM. I've done this manual patching. uh, okay, regarding transfer and seizing of FSMO roles, right?
And
So
this
this are
NTDS util is the transfer, right?
no, 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 no,
Okay.
no, no, no. So seizing, there are some commands, PowerShell command to seize the roles.
Mm-hmm.
NTDS utility tool, yes, it is there, but it's a outdated version.
Oh.
Now people are not using because there are 10 to 12 steps that we need to follow.
Okay.
But for the PowerShell, it will go in a one go.
Okay.
So that is the reason I shown you the PowerShell one. Okay, and frequently lockout and all. Metadata cleanup. Metadata cleanup. I'll tell you in just a moment how to perform met- metadata cleanup in the sense. So when we create any object or anything in the domain, right? When we
Mhm.
delete, okay. So that object, let's suppose I have created a user, okay, and I have deleted that user because he's no longer working with us. But
Okay.
at the back end, when I create a user, so his metadata and everything will be metadata is nothing but his attributes and everything, tools and everything, the storage and everything that will be there. Okay,
Uh-huh. Yeah.
so what we can do is that by navigating to the active directory user groups, computers and group, from there you can uh, clean up the metadata.
Okay.
Sets and services from command line, you can do that. Entities utility tool only we can use to clean up the metadata. Let me just give you this link. Okay, go through this link for the metadata cleanup.
Yep.
Okay. Command to seize the FSMO rules. Just a moment. Don't worry, you'll get a job. Okay, there are a lot of hiring going on.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, bro.
You could have told me in advance only that you are serving notice period.
Yeah, I should have told you. Yeah.
This is the seizing of FSMO rules. Mm, so where are you from basically?
Uh, like exactly, my birthplace is from Andhra, West Godavari.
Okay,
So again, my father works as an Union Bank manager. So Andhra Bank previously. So
okay,
due to every 3 years, so like we went to my primary education was done in Mumbai,
okay.
and Hyderabad, but totally Hyderabad. Like from almost the last, last 10, 12 years, Hyderabad only. My BTech and everything. But
Mhm.
parents were settled in Bangalore at the end. At the end, when he was retired, about to retire, here only he was working. So we took the home. So
You
here
got
only.
home everything. Okay, got it, got it. But Hyderabad is quite good. But in a Bangalore also you'll be having lot of opportunities because
Mm,
I don't know the people in the Bangalore. So for Hyderabad, yes, uh, I know. So okay, so I'll help you out. Don't worry. Okay.
yes, sir.
Then you have something called metadata cleanup wala link I just shared with you.
Ah,
Okay, and the seizing of this FSMO roles. And even if they ask anything, no, so don't say no for any interview.
okay.
Okay, tell something about it, at least some thing around it.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Okay, hope you have worked on GP. Yes, you have done that. Tell that yes, I have done that. So basically they won't ask you everything.
Yeah.
Okay, but they just want to test whether you have worked or not. If you
Okay.
say that you are a administrator, Windows administrator, and you never worked on GPO, then that's something contradictory things.
Correct.
Okay, so that's the thing. And then you have daily roles and responsibilities. I'll tell you how to answer these things. So at on which date you have interview?
Tuesday, 9th.
Tuesday. Today catch Tuesday. Okay, time is there, Harish. So don't worry. Okay, I'll just
But if I if
prepare
I
you.
if I apply, like if I go to interview for 9th, can I also uh, go for interview with your friend is in Hyderabad? Can I do
No,
that or?
no, no, no. That will be there. That will be there. The
Hmm.
records will be there. No,
Yeah.
records will be there.
Then what? Then suggest which one will be good? Like.
See, now it's your call. Okay, if you have the location preference,
Hmm.
Bangalore. Okay, then try only for Bangalore.
Okay.
Okay, if you have location preference anywhere but you need a job, then you can try for the Hyderabad.
Okay.
Okay. uh, how many DCs and ADC servers you were able to manage? Tell them, uh, as per your organization, tell them that you worked for some data centers
Mm-hmm.
and data centers where you have different clients and whose uh, they do have, 4 DCs, ADCs kind of thing. 1 DC, 4 ADC, something like that. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, had you worked on ADDNS and DCP? Yes, you have done that. Have you worked on GPU? Yes, you have done that. You
Okay.
apply some group policies and everything. So what I would want you to do is, Harish, I would want you to just create a server, okay? Active Directory DNS DHCP and practice it.
Mm.
Creating a user, deleting the user, right?
Yeah.
And go through parallelly. Just you must be having a big screen TV, right?
Mm.
Okay, so in that Android TV, just go to the YouTube and search for this MSFT web telecast or anything,
Okay.
any doubt which you have, and the way they are showing the same thing, you just do the navigation on your
Okay.
laptop. Okay,
Okay.
so that it will be very easy for you. What's your team size? Team size, you can tell them you have a 20 members kind of thing. You
Yeah.
have different. Had you handled any critical situation activities? If yes, what is that? Tell them your PDC was down. One of the clients PDC was down, and we had to transfer the roles. So what we have done that we took the permission and all. We
Mm.
make the changes.
Mm.
We transferred the roles.
Yeah.
Okay. Before doing that, you got took an approval from the client and everything over the email. Then you
Mm.
make the changes.
Mm.
Okay. And how to resolve the in production level without any impact on business.
Yeah, I think eighth and ninth questions are same. Maybe it was wrong. If suddenly DC is down, how to resolve in production level without even
That's the
impacting?
transferring of FSM rules only. They are, see, these are the different way of asking the questions. The answer would still remains the same.
Yeah.
Okay. What is your present CTC? You can, that's your personal question. You can ask.
Mm.
Okay. So most of the things we have already discussed. The only thing, NTFS permission. Okay. And frequently lockout.
Mm.
Okay. That's two things. And third one, the question that's the only, I think, lockout option.
Correct.
Frequent
Lockout.
lock
Frequent
lock
lockout.
lock
Yes,
lock
information.
lockout and this how to troubleshoot lockout location, right? And temporary profiles. Two
Yeah.
things: lockout and temporary profiles. Okay. So these two questions I'll answer. Don't worry. Okay. So because I do have session, in next few minutes at 4. So tomorrow we can connect, Harish. Okay. So what I
Done.
would want to do is that instead of going to Azure, so we'll practice on this AD one only.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, so that you'll get at least a job. You'll
Done.
be
Done.
prepared for the interview. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
inform the same thing to the Ganesh also.
Yeah. Now only today only I will inform.
To inform the Ganesh, okay, this is what the scenario, so how should we go about it and all. So accordingly, because see, again, I am a trainer. Okay, so he's
Yes.
the man who is taking care of everything.
Yes.
Okay. So, and also I have something, you can send your resume to, there is one email I got it from LinkedIn. So are you active on LinkedIn?
Yes. Yes. I'm active on LinkedIn.
See, on LinkedIn there, I got one, this detail Windows admin and all, so you can use this one.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, and also I'll just check in my today's so, just a moment. Yeah, Harish. So no worries, Harish, so we can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, Gopal. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm here. I'm getting.
So no worries. So we can, get the things done for you. So don't worry about it. Okay. Well, just speak with Ganesh once. Okay. And
Yeah,
I
yeah,
just share one email ID, and also you can just send out your emails to that. But for
yeah.
entity, we have a lot of hiring going on. So we should be well prepared. Okay. So I'll just make you prepared for that. Don't
But,
worry.
Gopal, after you said those things, I'm just a little bit confused now. Like whether to go with Hyderabad or like if it is because the
Okay.
point which you said is hitting me hard that uh, it's like your friend, so that it might be somewhat maybe easy. It's so just thinking about that was thinking. Hmm.
Yeah. So that is there. But again, you're. So are you ready to migrate to Bangalore then? Sorry, Hyderabad.
Yeah, I will do that if job is the main criteria. I will do that because only thing is right now just don't want to miss any opportunity because I'm habituated for Hyderabad like, because my
How
previous
did you get an information regarding this pro hiring for entity data?
like one of my friend got a call. Actually, this is through consultancy. This is not direct to entity. It is a consultancy. So
Okay,
that
it's a third party pay.
yes,
Why you are going for this contract to hire? Yes, I heard that people are still getting contract to C2H, C2H contract to hire. Uh, do one thing, Harish.
mm,
So, anyways, you are in Bangalore, so just let it be the Bangalore one as a priority one.
mm,
Okay. In case if we have any changes, so we can make it to Hyderabad.
mm,
Okay.
yeah,
So always stay there because again, shifting your family from one city to another
yeah,
city will be hectic.
that,
Okay. If
that's
not entity, this is not the ultimate organization. We have other companies
correct.
also. Okay, we'll work. So what we're gonna do is that in this week we'll only try to focus on the interview part and the real time troubleshooting. And
Okay,
I'll conduct some mock interviews if Ganesh asks me to do that. I'll do that
okay,
accordingly. Okay.
okay then.
Okay. So no
Okay,
worries. We'll get the things done for you. Don't
third
worry.
party is okay, right?
Third party is okay, but I won't prefer third party because we never know if suddenly if they don't have any project requirement, they'll immediately ask you to leave. So
Yeah.
so far you have worked full time, right?
Yes.
Then why to go for the C2H?
Mm.
Getting me?
Got it. Got yes. Got it. Because
Right.
actually, correct.
Okay. So I'll just check in my work organization if they do have any requirement. This is for the Bangalore location. Okay. So no
Okay.
worries. We'll get the things done for you. Anyhow.
Yes.
Okay. I'll
Okay.
update you by tomorrow. What's the status? Okay.
Done. Done. In the meanwhile, I will just create a server. I will install the other things. I will.
Practice it,
Yes.
and what all questions that you do have, I would want you to just go to the YouTube and just type that, and you'll be getting n number of videos are there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Absolutely.
what you
Correct.
can do is that take a pen and paper, write each and every question and write the answers and everything.
Mm.
Okay. There are some typical interview. I have prepared something for my interview. Just a moment, I shared it with the Amruta for
Okay.
Windows. I think I have shared it with you. No, not sure.
Mm, mm.
Just a moment. So these are the typical interview questions people they would ask for entity. Get prepared for it.
Ah. Yeah.
Okay. Regarding the real time scenarios, I'll come to you for sure. Uh, these are the typical interview questions, and they would ask you like anything.
Oh.
Okay, get it prepared because these are easy ones, and you should be if you're prepared well enough these questions, and your interview will be cleared. I bet it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. And regarding some real time scenarios, these are some theory and all. Complete theory. Okay,
Okay.
some real time questions are also there, so just go through that. So these are the things which I prepared a long back. Okay, I kept it for my reference to have a glance at it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Server message block. Okay. Done.
everything is there. Everything, you'll get everything starting from the basics.
Yeah. 22 photos. Yeah. Sure. I will follow.
Okay, go through that and we'll connect tomorrow then. Okay.
Okay, 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 Gopal. Thank you so much.
And no problem, Harish. Chalo, bye. Take care.
Bye.
All the best.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.